Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It is October 3rd and we have done a week of evals with 2 trades this week. So let's get into it, eh? Alright, so the first trade was on the 29th. So remember, we're working on these 2 more evals, so you get 5 accounts max you can have on Top Step. So we were targeting this 4-hour gap in the previous day, I'm pretty sure. I'm positive actually, and we had let's see, it was a pretty choppy start. Look at this, first like 10 minutes of the day, but we then pushed up, which is what we look for, and then we had our retrace with a nice pull down. Look at that wick, beautiful. And then we had this displacing candle right here, and that's what I entered with break even at the internal liquidity, and we got break even. But because this break even happened so fast, I couldn't even do sizing, so I actually lost like $200 on this trade. Doesn't really matter because it's eval, so I don't really care, but unfortunate. And then after I got off, there was actually this setup, which is pretty clean as well, even though this isn't even that strong. I mean, it's kind of strong. Let me see the 30. Actually, no. Like after we displace with this candle, I feel like this setup is pretty clean with break even here, but I wasn't on for it, and that would have hit, but it's all good. Now, moving on to the next day, we had like relative session highs, like with Asian and London, all stacked up, so I was really looking for that, which we did get. We actually won this trade. I tried to risk I was risking 1,000 on these evals, but since I lost 200, that means I only risked like, I think it was 700 or 800 on this one, just like so. If I lost, then I would have 1,000 left to draw down to continue my thing. But anyway, yeah. So we chopped all morning. I don't remember if there was 7 a.m. news, so I don't know if I was up for this. This is so ugly, but no, I think it was 6:30. So I was sitting here through all this. We finally broke out and TP at these session highs. We edged it and came back, and we had a displacing candle, which is perfect, everything I want. And yeah, like 2 minutes we made 700 something, I think. But yeah, that was it for the week. There are some other setups that like have potential. This day had nothing. It's also the government shut down, so like everything's chopped. I'm kind of glad I'm not trading on my exit phase during this, because you know it's kind of sketch, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get these accounts passed next week. I probably will, but then I'll have like 20 days of October after, so that'll be chill. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Yeah.